If you create videos, AI is about to change everything. Today, I'm showing you 5 powerful AI video editing tools that can cut, edit, add captions, and even create videos from text. Let's dive in. Tool 1. Runway ML. AI video editing and background removal. Runway ML is one of the most advanced AI editing tools. It can remove backgrounds, enhance video quality, and even generate AI videos from text. Tool 2. Descript. AI audio and video editing. Descript lets you edit videos by editing text. If you remove a word from the script, the video removes that part automatically. Plus, it removes filler words like and instantly. Tool 3. Pika Labs. AI that creates video from text. Pika Labs is a game changer. You type a description, and AI generates an entire video for you, perfect for animation and creative content. Tool 4. HeyGen AI. AI avatars for video creation. Don't want to be on camera? HeyGen AI creates realistic AI avatars that speak in multiple languages, perfect for faceless YouTube videos. Tool 5. CapCut AI. One-click video, editing and captions. CapCut AI makes video editing super easy. It automatically adds captions, effects, and transitions, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments.